Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create text in Photoshop document. So let's start it. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see create text in Photoshop. Now I am going to the toolbar option. Now select. Now I select from text tool option. Now click. Now type your text. Now click from tick mark. Now resize your text. Now you can see, then we going to the layer option. Now select from layer style option. Now we select from pattern overlay option. Now select. Then we can see, then I show pattern overlay. Now choose from pattern overlay another style. Now choose for any style. Got it. Now you can see create text in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for